Good morning. We are going to be practicing with the general journal today, and we're going to be using Nearpod to accomplish that. So you should already be into Nearpod. You use the code that's found in Danzel's SharePoint, and you are going to be typing into this general journal. So you got your transaction up here. Remember, if you can't see the transaction, you may have to click on this blue arrow. It will show the transaction. So we're going to use the text tool, and you're going to have to move the text tool around a little bit. I'm just going to try to make one big box here and put a bunch of spaces, so we'll see how that goes. On that first line, we're going to put the year, and then I'll press enter. So it makes that disappear. That's no good. October 1, and we know that the account is going to be cash and bank, and then your numbers don't have to fit perfectly here. Tried to make that text a little bit smaller, but it didn't work. Anyway, just try to make it look as best you can. And then it was Krista Vargas Capital. That's going to be credited for $25,000. Of course, adjust your text boxes as necessary. And I forgot I was going to need room on the line below. And then, or no, wait, it was a memorandum. So let's double check. October 1st, 25,000. Krista Vargas Capital Memorandum 1. So there's the first transaction. And once you're done with the first transaction, you'll click submit. And then when you go to the next page, you will see the answer. So your typing will disappear, but you'll be able to see whether or not you did it correctly. So in this case, we did, and now we're ready for transaction 2. And insert another text box, and you will simply start typing right there. Remember, for the second transaction, you don't need to put the year. You would just start out. Actually, you don't even have to put the month. As long as the month is the same, you can just keep going. And that's it. Before I say goodbye, I want to say one other thing. Make sure on every slide you do click submit or turn in, or I can't remember what it is in Nearpod, but make sure you click submit for every slide before you go to the next slide. So please be sure to do that. Good luck.